China's VT2 Main Battle Tank, the export version of the Type 96A, represents how Beijing combines proven armored platforms with modernized electronics to meet the demands of the global defense market. Unlike China's newer flagship MBTs, the VT2 is designed as a balance between affordability and capability, making it a popular option for nations seeking to modernize their armored forces without investing in the most expensive cutting-edge systems. This approach has allowed the VT2 to carve a place in the export market, offering technology adapted from China's own Type 96A but tailored for international partners. The VT2 builds upon the legacy of the Type 96A, which has long been a staple of the People's Liberation Army. Its design emphasizes reliability and mobility, two features that make it suitable for diverse terrain conditions where export customers typically operate. Powered by a diesel engine delivering around 780 horsepower, the VT2 can achieve impressive mobility for its class, moving quickly across rough ground while maintaining a relatively low profile. For nations prioritizing maneuverability in battlefields that include deserts, plains, or mixed terrain, this performance provides a clear advantage. The firepower is another critical element of the VT2's design. It mounts a 125mm smoothbore gun, compatible with modern munitions, including 8 PFSDS rounds, high-explosive projectiles, and guided missiles, ensuring versatility against armored and fortified targets. The gun is stabilized and supported by an autoloader system, which reduces crew size to 3. This not only makes the tank more compact but also increases the rate of fire in high-intensity engagements. By combining firepower with efficiency, the VT2 can match or even outclass older generation tanks fielded by many armies around the world. What sets the VT2 apart, however, is its integration of advanced electronics. Export customers receive a tank equipped with modern fire control systems, night vision, and battlefield management tools that enhance situational awareness. The electronic upgrades allow the VT2 to engage moving targets with greater accuracy, even in low visibility conditions, giving it a strong edge in environments where night operations or poor weather would otherwise limit combat effectiveness. This aspect of the VT2 makes it more than just a modernized gun platform. It transforms the tank into a networked asset capable of operating in complex, modern battlefields. Protection has also been carefully considered. The VT2 offers modular armor solutions, including composite armor and options for explosive reactive armor, depending on customer needs. This modular approach enables buyers to configure protection levels based on threat assessments and budget constraints. While not at the extreme level of protection offered by China's more advanced MBTs like the VT4, the VT2 delivers a solid defensive package that balances survivability with weight and cost considerations. This makes it adaptable to both conventional battlefield engagements and regional conflicts where mobility often outweighs the need for the heaviest armor. Globally, the VT2 reflects China's growing presence as a supplier of military hardware. Its affordability and adaptability make it particularly attractive for countries in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, where upgrading armored forces is a necessity but high costs are a limiting factor. By offering an MBT that blends firepower, protection, and electronics without the financial burden of top-tier tanks, China provides an appealing option to militaries that seek modernization at a realistic scale. For enthusiasts, analysts, and defense followers, the VT2 is an interesting example of how export-focused tanks are positioned in the global arms market. It symbolizes how China adapts domestic designs into internationally viable platforms, balancing cost with combat efficiency. On my channel, Regular Car Reviews Auto, we don't just look at civilian vehicles, we dive into military machines that push engineering limits in their own domain. The VT2 showcases how a battle tank can be both technologically modern and financially accessible, bridging the gap between proven reliability and modern innovation. If you're intrigued by how global powers design, adapt, and export their armored vehicles, the VT2 is a prime case study. From its origins in the Type 96A to its role as a versatile export MBT, it highlights the evolution of Chinese armored doctrine and the importance of advanced electronics in modern warfare. Stay tuned to Regular Car Reviews Auto for more deep dives into military and civilian engineering marvels that shape the future of mobility, whether on highways or battlefields.